Hey guys, Coach Teddy over here at Native. Just gonna give you guys some quick tips and tricks for tomorrow's Open WOD 25.1. So first, we wanna talk about the burpees, okay? So a lot of us are gonna be traveling a lot of room. These burpees, we wanna look at our footwork. So when we're coming down, we wanna really focus on stepping all of our burpees and making sure we step up with our outside leg. That way we have momentum when we're jumping across the dumbbell, right? So if we step up with that inside leg, we're gonna block our momentum and we're gonna end up pushing off the other way. Second thing, stay low on your burpees. You don't need to stand all the way up. So when we're coming across, we can stay here and stay low. That way we're not extending our hips all the way. And then make sure we're jumping with 2 feet coming over. It does not have to be a 2-foot takeoff or land, and your foot cannot touch the dumbbell or else it's no run. With the clean and jerks, remember the first rep can go from the ground to start rep 1. And then we can do all 3 reps on the same arm. The dumbbell has to touch the shoulder, lock out overhead, elbow, hips, knees locked out, dumbbell over the center of our body. Now, a little strategy on that. So with not having to alternate hands, I would go the first 3 on your strong side, the next 6 on your weak side, 9 on your strong side, and then once we get from 12 to 18, split like 6-6, 8-7, 9-9, and then if we get to rounds 21 plus, go ahead and start alternating every rep to really save the fatigue on our shoulders. And then lunge. So make sure we step up to this line as close as possible because this is a short distance. We want to maximize our steps. Take a nice big step and make sure we're locking out. Our knee has to touch and we have to lock out in between. We can step through, but making sure we lock out. Make sure our heels cross the back of the line and then we start behind the line on every rep. Hope you guys do good. Wish you guys the best luck for this open. Go get them.